Shout out po. Mr. Pobring Palaboy, mega love shout out. Baby Urgent Vlog, mega love shout out. Edmond Juarez, Edmonds Balsi, mega love shout out. Marisa SEB, mega love shout out. Betchay, KitKat ko, Mac RTV, mega love shout out. Kaswati TV Vlog, mega love shout out. Amigo, mega love shout out. Tesfa Channel, Emerald Channel, mega love shout out. Maria Ruby's World, mega love shout out. Ate Yen's Vlog, mega love shout out. Erlin Vlog, mega love shoutout. Buhay Barrio, mega love shoutout. Diba? Orange Lemon, mega love shoutout. Ace Bricks and Pieces, mega love shoutout. Ayan. Mariam 21 Vlog, mega love shoutout. Chingsky EAV, mega love shoutout. Alhads Vlog, mega love shoutout. Samira Shugtay's Backyard Garden, mega love shoutout. Lavender Queen, mega love shoutout. Simply My Labs, mega love shoutout. Ayan, Gilma AG Vlog, mega love shoutout. Onil Virtual, mega love shoutout. Pinay the Countryside, mega love shoutout. Miss Jen OBR, mega love shoutout. Ayan po, Liza Tony Vlog, mega love shoutout. Sweet Lily, mega love shoutout. Rampage Moto Vlog, mega love shoutout. Kaamo yung vlog, mega love shoutout. Borluloy Vlog, Sorry TV, mega love shoutout. Bicolanang Waray, mega love shoutout. Mary Jane Vlog Buholana, mega love shoutout. Holy Land Silent Walk, mega love shoutout. Sislin Kashif, mega love shoutout. LSR Vlog, mega love shoutout. Shamzai Channel, Brown Dog Prospecting, mega love shoutout. Nilda Basilio, Kuanang Life, mega love shoutout. Inday Remilin, Cucumber Amber, mega love shoutout. Ayan po, mega tayo bago tayo mag-end. So ayan, Makataong Channel, mega love shoutout. Tesfa Channel, mega love shoutout. Lazaro RAC Vlog, mega love shoutout. Junard Bautista TV, mega love shoutout. Tunix TV, mega love shoutout. Mami Ko, mega love shoutout. EJ Mix Vlog, mega love shoutout. Masing Vlog TV, Jenny Sabado, mega love shoutout. Kaswerte TV Vlog, mega love shoutout. Nasabi ko na pala si Kaswerte. Albert Tech Channel, mega love shoutout. My Precious Heart, mega love shoutout. Sis Norminda Pideleon, mega love shoutout. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagbisita sa aking bahay. Ayan, Zainab Safran, mega love shoutout. Buhay Barrio, nasabi ko na no, mega love shoutout. Mr. Pobring Palaboy, ayan, mega love shoutout. CLNLF USA, Winter Sprinkle USA, Kitty City, Sis Gisa Alway on USA, mega love shoutout. O, diba, ang dami. Ayan, MM Lu Bautista, mega love shoutout. RCR Cabrera Vlog, mega love shoutout. Reyna Serrano, mega love shoutout. Lerms T Vlog, mega love shoutout. Agnes Darumangkos, mega love shoutout. Jenny Sabado Kaswerte TV Vlog, mega love shoutout. Lowered TV, Alhads Vlog HNY TV, mega love shoutout. Mike Time, Hamza Ali, mega love shoutout. KFC Fried Chicken, mega love shoutout. Ricky B Vlogs, mega love shoutout. Goraba Videos, mega love shoutout. Riders Bong Moto Vlog, Miss Jen OBR, mega love shoutout. O, diba? Feli Lifestyle, Familia G, mega love shoutout. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-tune in. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagbisita sa aking bahay. Ang palatandaan, Sir Melvin, mega love shoutout. So, ayan po. Tayo'y mag-e-end na dahil naka-2 oras na tayo. Ayan, done watching Bro Alhads. Maraming salamat RCR Cabrera Vlog. So ayun po, mag-e-end na po ako. So sabar and silence is very important. Sabar, be patient for everything. Sa lahat ng pagsubok, asal tayo na malalampasan natin inshallah. That's how I convince myself that everything will be fine. So ayun po. So yun nga, sabi nga, inna ma'al usri yusra, so with hardship comes ease, and yan, that is one way of me, diba? That is my one way of convincing myself that everything will be fine despite of the fact that there are ups and downs coming in our life. Problems and obstacles will be will be overcome if we accept or if we believe that everything will be fine, and hardships and every hardships comes ease. So lahat ng mga kahirapan merong kaginhawaan inshallah. So ayun lang po. So, ayun. So, happy Sunday morning everyone. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye